Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have your clip in the timeline. Now create a Captions track so you can work precisely. Open the Text or Captions workspace, then select New Captions and pick Open Captions if you want visible burned-in text versus Sidecar SRT. Once done, set the caption frame rate to match your sequence and add the first caption segment at the start of spoken audio. This gets you into an editable Captions track immediately so you can begin timing and typing. Now transcribe or paste the text into each caption segment and focus on timing, trim, or drag caption edges to align with speech. Use keyboard shortcuts to nudge times by small increments for tight sync and split captions at logical pauses so reading speed stays comfortable. Make style choices for legibility. Select font, size, color, and optional background box. Test against bright and dark shots. Once you've styled one caption, apply it as a template, so finish by deciding whether to export a separate SRT file or burn captions into the final video. For an SRT, choose Export Media and enable Create Sidecar File. For burned-in, enable Burn Captions into video. Before exporting, preview captions in the program monitor to ensure placement and timing are correct. Troubleshooting tip: if captions don't appear after export, make sure your sequence captions type matches the export option. Open Captions won't export as a Sidecar SRT unless you select the correct format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.